In one of the earlier video, I showed how you can export normal maps from Substance Painter. I'm going to import those normals into Photoshop to adjust them to how I prefer it. In the same way how we blacked out the outer parts of the UV that's not used, we'll do the same for normal maps to decrease the image size. To combine the two normal textures, I change the layer to overlay and then adjust the opacity. This gives us more control over how the normal maps reads on Unity, and you can even add or remove some of the normal map bumps. If your overall texture becomes too big for Zepeto and it doesn't want to upload onto Zepeto Studio, decreasing the image size of your normal map is a very good way to help reduce the image size.